Hi, this is Raj Gupta from Black Grape Software Company. Welcome to our new video. In this video, we will discuss to bid farewell to disorganized file, never-ending email threads, and overlooked deadlines. Utilizing our project management system, simplify your workflow, ensure everyone is aligned, and effortlessly reach project milestone. Uh, as uh, as you can see, let's log in first and then with admin password, and I'll just make it to stay login. Yeah, yeah, I'll just close this as well. Yeah, now as you can see is the private dashboard of our software, where you can see the open number of tasks and projects in task here. Right here you can see the number of pending and overdue projects, what all tasks are overdues. Then after in project section we can see the number of projects in progress and overdue. Along with this, we can see shift schedule, week time logs, my task, then after birthdays, then after tickets for complaint. Right here we can see here. Yeah, then after employee appreciation, my calendar, employee on leave today, then after on work from home data, today's joining and work anniversaries, notice period, durations, notices, probation period. Then after, yeah, it's right here. Yeah, then after at the very end we can find internship data and contract data. That And in advanced dashboard section, you can access most of the datas, like total number of clients, employee, project, due invoice, are logged, pending task, today's attendance, unresolved tickets, income, timesheets, pending leaves, open tickets, pending task, pending follow-ups. Then after projects activity timeline, users activity timeline. when you go to like you know when you go to project right here. Yeah, that was the overview section. This is project section. Yeah, when you go here, what you will find is, yeah, you can see the total number of projects, overdue projects, hour logged, then after status wise, project, pending, milestone. When you go to client, right here, you will see different sections, like total client, total leads, lead conversion, contract signed, contract generated, client wise earning, client wise time logs, when they are logging in and when they are logging out, lead count by status and by source as well. Since we have no more entries, that's why it's showing no enough data. If you if you start making changes, it will update accordingly. Then after, latest clients are there, latest logging activities as well. In HR we will find details like leave approved, employee, employees, total number of employees, new employees, then after employees exit, which all employees exited today. Then after today's attendance, average attendance. Then after department wise employees, designation wise employees, gender wise employees. Then after role wise employees. Then after head count, how many people are there in different month. Then after joining versus attrition. Then after leaves taken, you can see birthdays as well. Birthday is important, to let your staff know that you care about them. Then after late attendance. In ticket section, we have different details, like ticket, unresolved tickets, resolved tickets. Then after total unassigned tickets, new tickets will be shown here until and unless they are assigned. Then after type wise tickets, status wise tickets, channel wise tickets, open tickets. In finance section we can find different categories, like invoices, total invoices, paid, due invoices, total expenses, total earnings, total pending amount, invoice overview, estimate overview, proposal overview, client client wise earning, then after project wise earning. After all this is done, proper dash view, then after we have a lead section, okay, where you can add new leads, see their details like mobile, email, and everything with action button. You can view, edit, delete. If you click right here, you can see, you can view, edit, delete, change to client, add, follow up. You can do things like that. You can even import and export file as well from right here. Yeah, that's all. Then after we have like client section to add new clients, and more or less the same features as lead section. It's more or less the same features for everything, but yeah, we will discuss accordingly. Then in HR section, we can get more information for clients, leave, shift roster, then after attendance, holidays, designation, department appreciation. Then after we have work section. um, in work section, we can add new contracts, project, task, and timesheets, and basically create new contract, export them. You will see basically more or less the same features as we discussed in leads. Then in finance section, we have we can see different section with proposal, estimates, invoice, payment, credit note, expenses, bank accounts. You can find those details. You can you can similarly add new details here. Have action set, view section where you can view the details. After that we have a product section, okay. It is to add new product, and you can add new product here, and basically same old features mentioned below. Then after we have order section to access all the order maids, can manually add new orders as well, and you can export the data if you want. Then after we have ticket section, where you can see the total number of tickets, closed tickets, open tickets, pending and unresolved, resolved tickets. You can create new ticket as well, when someone is making inquiry, you can create a new ticket. And then after we have event section to add new events linked with calendar. Can search event as well, from right here. Yeah, after that we have message section to add new conversations, search them accordingly. Then we have notice board section to add new notice with same old features, in lead section we discussed. Then after there's export button as well to export the data. Then after we have knowledge base section to add new articles, manage article category, search accordingly. Those things you can do from here. Then after we have report section to get the, yeah, to get the task report, timeline report, finance report, income versus expense report, leave report, attendance report, expense report, lead report, and sales report, things like that. Then we have settings. Okay, yeah, this is important, guys. You can play around with the company's settings, business address, app settings, profile settings, notification settings, currency settings, payment credentials, finance settings, contract settings, tax settings, ticket settings, project settings, attendance settings, and basically the list goes on and on. Leave setting, custom field, role and permission, message settings, lead settings, time lock settings, task settings, security settings, theme settings, settings, storage settings, language settings, social login settings, Google Map settings, custom link settings, database backup, and update app. Okay, these are the settings you can manually play around and get to know them more better. Yeah, so that's all from my side for today, guys. So thank you for watching. We appreciate your support in transforming the way you manage projects. So until next time, happy managing.